Mastering Money, Tips for Becoming a Millionaire. Welcome to a world of financial mastery and wealth building. In this exclusive guide, we unveil the secrets to mastering money and offer invaluable tips on how to transform yourself into a millionaire. From the art of budgeting to the science of investing, we will navigate through the intricate pathways of personal finance, empowering you with the knowledge and tools necessary to achieve your financial dreams. This is your opportunity to unlock the secrets of wealth creation and become a true master of your destiny. Get ready to embark on a life-changing adventure as we delve into the realm of mastering money. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Know your current financial situation. Start by taking an honest look at your income, expenses, debts, and assets. This will provide a clear understanding of your starting point and help you identify areas for improvement. Armed with this knowledge, you can create a strategic plan to optimize your finances and pave the way to wealth and financial success. Number 2. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is a vital step towards becoming a millionaire. This process will provide you with a clear direction and purpose, keeping you focused on wealth building. By having well-defined goals, you can track your progress, stay motivated, and make strategic decisions that align with the ultimate objective of achieving millionaire status. Number 3. Develop a millionaire mindset. Developing a millionaire mindset is a must on your journey to becoming wealthy. Cultivate a positive mindset that believes in your ability to achieve financial success. Embrace a mindset of abundance, persistence, and continuous learning, as these traits will fuel your determination and resilience. By adopting a growth-oriented mindset, you open yourself up to new opportunities, overcome obstacles, and make the most of every situation on your path to millionaire status. Number 4. Create a budget and track expenses. Establish a budget that reflects your financial goals and priorities. Track your expenses diligently to gain insight into your spending habits and identify areas where you can save money. By allocating funds towards wealth-building opportunities, you can accelerate your path to millionaire status and ensure that your financial resources are working in your favor. Number 5. Continuously improving your skills. Stay updated with industry trends to ensure you remain relevant and adaptable in the ever-changing marketplace. Enhancing your expertise increases your value and positions you for lucrative opportunities that can boost your income. By prioritizing skill development, this paves the way for long-term financial success and maximize your potential for becoming a millionaire. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 6. Increase your income. Explore various avenues to boost your earnings. Consider negotiating a higher salary or seeking career advancements to maximize your primary income source. Starting a side business, freelancing, investing in income-generating assets, such as rental properties or dividend stocks, can also contribute to your financial growth. By actively seeking opportunities to increase your income, you accelerate your wealth building and move closer to achieving millionaire status. Number 7. Eliminate and manage debt. Create a plan to pay off any outstanding debts you may have, starting with high-interest debts first. Develop a strategy to effectively manage and reduce it over time. To accelerate wealth, avoid taking on unnecessary debt and focus on building assets and generating income instead. By prioritizing debt elimination and adopting responsible habits, you pave the way for long-term financial stability. Number 8. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your income to dedicated savings and investment accounts. This ensures regular and consistent contributions without the temptation to spend unnecessarily. By automating your finances, you streamline the wealth-building process and make it easier to stay on track with financial goals. This approach helps harness the power of compound interest and allows your money to grow steadily over time, propelling you closer to millions. Number 9. Educate yourself. Education is a powerful tool on your journey to mastering money and becoming a millionaire. Acquire knowledge about personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and wealth creation. Dive into books, attend seminars, and continue to watch Braylen 80 videos to expand your understanding of these subjects. Learn from people who have already achieved financial success. By continuously educating yourself, you gain the insights and strategies needed to make informed decisions, navigate the financial landscape, and accelerate your path towards becoming a millionaire. Number 10. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid and easily accessible account. This fund acts as a safety net, offering financial security in case of unexpected setbacks such as job loss or medical expenses. By having an emergency fund in place, you can weather financial storms without derailing your progress towards wealth creation. Number 11. Build a strong credit history. Maintain a good credit score by consistently paying bills on time and in full. Keep your credit utilization low by responsibly managing your credit card balances. By demonstrating responsible credit behavior, you create a positive credit history that can open doors to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and favorable financial opportunities. A strong credit history serves as a valuable asset, allowing you to leverage credit wisely and optimize your financial position. Number 12. Always seek professional advice. When it comes to mastering money and striving to become a millionaire, seeking professional advice is a smart move. Consider consulting with financial advisors, tax professionals, or wealth managers who specialize in guiding individuals towards success. Their expertise and knowledge can provide invaluable insights tailored to your specific financial situation. By working with professionals, you can make informed decisions, optimize your strategy, and navigate complex financial matters with confidence. Don't hesitate to tap into their expertise and leverage their guidance as you embark on your journey towards millionaire status. Armed with the knowledge and insights gained throughout this guide, you are now equipped with the tools necessary to navigate the world of mastering money with confidence and finesse. Remember, wealth creation is not an overnight endeavor, but a lifelong commitment. Embrace discipline, embrace patience, and continue to educate yourself on evolving financial strategies. As you embark on this exciting endeavor, always keep your goals in sight, maintain a growth-oriented mindset, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Believe in your ability to achieve financial greatness, for the path to becoming a millionaire begins with a single step, and you have already taken it.